writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all? You're a superhero.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still.
Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
I'm spending all of my dough. I'm spending all of my cash. All this money that I ever had, I put that shit on my tab. 12 o'clock and I'm fucked up. Oh damn, I'm smashed.
Has no patience, look at his face.